friend! Today we're learning the letter G. This is G. G has a special sound. G, G, G. G, 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 G. G. G is for gorilla. G, G, gorilla. Say it with me now. G, G, gorilla. Good job. G is also for goose. G, G, goose. You try it now. G, G, goose. Excellent. Last one. G is also for grapes. G, G, grapes. Now it's your turn. G, G, grapes. Great job learning the letter G. Thanks for joining me in the Calm Little Corner. I'll see you again next time. Bye!